in terms of the visual design and stuff, um, what I do is I now will give it a I'll go through a cycle of like, hey, let's create our brand guidelines, our style guide, our creative brief, right? And
Okay.
then you can then next use the front end designer from the Claude Code Marketplace, and say, hey, we have our brand guidelines and other guideline documents here. I want you to use UI UX best practices and help me update this interface, right? So
Mhm.
once you do that, it does a pretty good job. And so I don't know, are you using like ShadCN components and things like that?
That's funny. You think I have any clue what you're talking about? I'll let you.
So you want to mention ShadCN components to that chat session when you're dealing with the front end.
Okay.
ShadCN is a very, very widely used set of pre-built components, form fields, buttons, and things of that nature. So you don't have to recreate all of that, right? And so if you take this step to build the guidelines, use a front end designer, and give it the context and say, hey, I want you to implement the better UI UX. And then also say, make sure that that design, the update that you do make is also responsive, right? So
Mhm.
if we take your page here, if we take this page here, Tony, and I go like this, right? So this is not responsive because it's horizontally scrolling. This is not responsive. Yeah. So
Got it.
one of those things that you add is make sure it's responsive so that when people are on mobile, it's still viewable and it's still okay to see.